Most sellers waste thousands of dollars on the wrong updates, but here's the truth. There are only a handful that can actually triple your money, and 2 of them are surprisingly cheap. Let's break down the simple high ROI updates that give you the biggest bang for your buck when selling your San Jose home. Now, I've walked into thousands of homes over the years, some that looked amazing and some that looked like the last update was when disco was still a thing. And you'd be amazed at what just a few strategic updates can do to a home's value and how buyers feel when they walk in. So let's dive in. Paint is hands down your best investment. Fresh paint instantly erases years of wear, it brightens rooms, hides imperfections, and makes a home feel new. And here's the kicker, it's cheap. A few $1,000s in neutral, modern tones, think really soft grays, warm whites, can translate to 2 to 3 times your money spent in return. Every single buyer notices paint. It's one of those things that makes a subconscious impact the second they walk in. And a quick word of advice, when you are repainting your home with the intention of putting it on the market, listen to the advice your agent or your painter is offering about color choice. Remember, you aren't buying the home. The idea is to make it pop and appeal to as many people as possible. Take your own personal taste out of the process. I've seen so many instances where people have put fresh paint on their home without getting any advice, and there just could have been so many better choices that would appeal to a much wider audience. Next up, flooring. Old carpet is like buyer repellent. It screams work, and no one wants their new home to feel like someone else's leftovers. Swap that out for luxury vinyl plank or pre-engineered hardwood or even new carpet, and suddenly your home feels elevated. These updates don't have to break the bank, but they double the return in most cases. And here's another tip. If you're only going to upgrade 1 or 2 areas, focus on the entry, the living room, and the kitchen. These are where buyers tend to emotionally connect first. Next up is curb appeal. Now this one's huge. You know that old saying about first impressions? Well, in real estate, it's gospel. Buyers often decide how they feel about a home before they even get out of your car. Trimmed landscaping, some solar lighting, a power wash driveway, a freshly painted front door. This is the low cost, high impact stuff. I've seen small front yard upgrades translate into offers that were tens of thousands of dollars higher just because buyers felt like the home was well cared for. Remember, when the buyer's real estate agent is fishing for the key out of the lockbox, the buyers are just standing there in front of your home and taking a long, hard look at the front of your home and your front yard. This is not where you want them to notice the peeling paint and the cobwebs above your front door. Now let's talk about garage doors. It's not sexy, but man, they really matter. I know it sounds boring, but replacing an old garage door is one of the top ROI projects nationwide, year after year. We're talking a 200% return easy. A sleek, modern garage door sends a message. This home is well maintained, buttoned up, and ready to go. And now the heart of the home, your kitchen. You've probably heard kitchens sell homes, and it's still true. But here's the secret, you don't need a full-blown remodel. Paint the cabinets, change the hardware, update the countertops and appliances if they're old and worn. Even just better lighting can go a long way. In San Jose, a modest kitchen refresh can return 150% of your cost. Plus, it gives buyers that emotional moment. Wow, I can see myself cooking and entertaining in this kitchen. Bathrooms, same story. You don't need to gut the whole thing. A new vanity, updated fixtures, clean tile, and some fresh grout. These are spa vibes on a budget. Think about how buyers start and end their day. If your bathroom feels like a retreat, they'll remember that. Expect another 100+% return and more if your current bath is really dated. Now, let me pause for a second. My name is Kip, and I've been a licensed broker for over 20 years here in Silicon Valley. Besides being a top producer, I've sat on the ethics committee here for over 10 years, and I've also managed an office for the #1 brokerage in the country, overseeing billions of dollars in sales. My goal in making these videos is to share what I've learned and help you protect your #1 asset. So, what's the takeaway? If you're thinking of selling, your first focus should be on paint, flooring, and curb appeal. They are the ROI superstars. They're affordable, high impact, and they completely shift buyer perception before they've even seen the full home. Now, if you'd like a copy of my free seller PDF, I'd love to send it to you. Just shoot me a quick message and I'll send it right over. And if you're curious about how these updates could apply to your home specifically, Let's talk. Every home is different, and I'd be happy to give you a custom game plan based on your layout, your neighborhood, and your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.